Back this week, there have been a lot of headlines centered around the St. Louis County Pet Adoption Center. Malik Johnson is here to walk us through some of the needs. But first, can we just talk about Rain, our little friend Rain?
We have our little friend Rain with
us.
us.
Come here, Rain. She is so sweet.
She is, and she's about a little bit over 1 year. She came in as a stray from Ferguson, Missouri. She's super sweet. She's super dog friendly, super pet friendly. She loves to sit out in the sun, and she's just a big cuddler.
She's so soft. She does well with other dogs too, right?
She does.
Okay. Yeah. And you know what? The thing, she really lets you pet her. She takes treats so soft.
She does.
That's the one thing that I think is so telling of a dog's demeanor.
Yeah, she's super sweet.
Yeah. So if someone would like to know more about Rain or adopt Rain, how can they find you?
They can come to the St. Louis County Pet Adoption Center. Check us out online as well. You can send an email to the St. Louis County Pet Adoption Center. Come fill out a foster application or an adoption application.
Great. And I also want to say the number is 314-615-0650. But as we look at Rain, can we talk about overcrowding? You've got that was a big headline this week.
Yes, we actually took on a Horton case out in Fenton, Missouri, where we brought in over 30 dogs and a blind pony.
A blind pony, I know.
Blind
oh
pony.
My gosh.
Yes, the animals were living in very rough conditions, and our officers went out there and rescued all those animals. As of yesterday, our total population yesterday morning was 203 animals in the shelter.
Wow, 203?
203 dogs in the shelter.
Oh my gosh. And so I know that you can only house so many, right? Like maybe 80 or something?
Maybe 80 is our true capacity. Yesterday morning being at 203. Yesterday evening when we closed, we were at 179.
Wow.
With
you're
adoptions.
Kidding.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you even rescue more animals? Because you were already at beyond capacity, and then you rescue the blind pony.
Well,
and
being a
dogs.
government open intake shelter, we have to take in every animal.
Oh, you do?
We have to take in. We can't turn any animal away.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Okay, so I guess how can people support you then? Like, what can they do? Can they foster if they can't adopt?
Definitely fostering and adoption. Remembering, fostering is free. We give you all the supplies you need to foster an animal from us. And adoptions, come in, fill out an adoption application, and volunteering definitely helps us. If you can't adopt but you love animals, you can come volunteer, walk dogs for us, help us do laundry and dishes as well.
Oh yeah, so that's a really good idea. So wait, how do people do that? How do they, do laundry? Do they take it home?
No. So we have a laundry facility at our building that they can come do laundry at the building. They can do the dishes at the building as well.
Okay, well that's great. I had no idea. I mean, but it totally makes sense that you would have other things going on at the shelter, right? Besides just dogs and cats and blind ponies.
Right.
Okay, so another big headline this week was the change in adoption fees, because it did go up significantly for those, who are watching. But at the same time, it was probably under what the standard is, right? It went from $40 to $80.
Yeah,
Can you talk about that?
$40 to $80, and that actually takes effect next week.
Okay.
There's studies showing that raising adoption fees can actually be a barrier to adoptions. However, we hope that our community still continues to show the support that they have been and continue to come in and adopt. I know we've been in conversations with the county council, and they said that if they do see a reduction in adoptions because of the fee, that they're open to further discussions.
Yeah, well, I did see that it was kind of a contentious, a
was.
lot of people went back and forth. Hey, we don't want to raise these fees, but the reality is it costs something. I think maybe Dr. Kanika Cunningham said it costs $20 a day
to take care of an animal in our facility.
Right. But if you're over capacity, it was something like $100,000 a month.
Correct.
So it is important to try to pay the fees if you can.
Yes.
But we'll be keeping an eye on it.
Yes.
Anything that we can do today to support, to help.
So come out to the shelter.
Okay.
Show up to our adoption events. Check out our Facebook page whenever we are hosting something, and just come foster, come volunteer. That helps us out a lot.
Okay. Well, thank you for all you're doing, because
you.
I'm sure that you are just at capacity in more ways than one. So we really appreciate what we do for animals.
I appreciate it.
And please, someone take Rain. Oh my goodness. Hi, Rain. Just one more time. Okay. You're so sweet. She really does is treat motivated.
She is.
But she's so sweet, so gentle. A messy eater, but so sweet. All right, thank you so much, Malik. Really appreciate it. Let's get back on over.